All right. Settle down. Settle down. Settle down. Hey, chill. So look, just gonna break the ice. Thank you guys for being here today. I know you guys were busy sitting up against the wall in a box, but this is where you guys are right now. Before we get into the official news, let's break the ice a little bit. So I was watching this video. This guy was saying that sneakerheads are mental cases or something like that. And I was saying to myself, like, not a dude that looks musty doing videos with shitty teeth, bad hair, and bad skin, and crappy glasses, and a collarbone tattoo. It just seemed like people should just worry about themselves and how they look and how they spend their money. Because I know as soon as I got me some money, I got my teeth fixed. Braces cost $5,000. I don't understand why people worried about what people do with their money for sneakers. It's just like, oh, they think everybody functions the same way when it comes to shoes. No. But we all know that, right? Listen, I'm not a fucking comedian. Let's just get straight to it. You guys are walking the plank today. You guys are going to some random Goodwill far, far away. You know what kind of forced this situation? The Air Jordan 6 salesman. One of the worst quality Air Jordan 6s I've ever had in my many years of collecting sneakers. I actually won 3 pairs, and they all had black smear up and down the infrared. I still was hoping for a varsity red version of this shoe. One day, maybe not. But the quality control was so bad, I said, you know what, maybe it's time to pull back from buying Jordans. In fact, just pulling back from restoring you guys, trying to fix you guys, and even customizing you guys. You know what almost restored my whole faith in this whole thing? These Cherry 13s that I just picked up today. Yes, this is what we consider to be the Cherry 13s. I mean, that's an old nickname, pre what we now know on social media as the sneaker culture community or whatever. The 13 is one of my favorite silhouettes to wear, to hoop in, whole 9 yards. And I can't wait till we get more 15s, 16s, 20s, 21s. Eventually we get the 21s and 22s. I hope that does happen. But until then, 11 through 15, I always gotta have them. But you know what I come to realize? A lot of y'all were bought on impulse during the quarantine. Some of you guys were purchased post all that, 2022, 2023. And you guys don't fit into where I'm going with how I collect my sneakers moving forward. I've been wearing a lot of Adidas lately. Puma and Adidas have been taking my money lately. Adidas Superstar 2s, the Patrick Star joints, the German Army trainers, the Samba XL, the latest Adidas Samba Babes, low profile sneakers that are going to be in rotation a whole lot sooner than the vast majority of you guys that's on this floor. So I hate to break it to you, but you got to go. Even you, I mean, Omi and the Hellcat, y'all gotta go too. Y'all made a great video. You stirred up a lot of mess too, because people were just like, why would you buy those? Man, because at At the moment, they were making a statement. But to be honest, they don't get wore. If they were wore a whole lot more, and they had some type of comfort, they would stay. But they have to go, along with the rest of these shoes. Some of these shoes were bought at Ross and Marshalls, and I don't know why I even bought these, right? These were bought during the time. I've already destroyed the box, so anybody that finds them, they're not going to be able to do too much with them except wear them. And that's how it should be. You should find gems like this and wear them and not try to flip them. Because that whole resale value crap to me is fake. I've always felt that way, but whatever. Altitude 13s, I fixed these a couple times. I've had them since 2010, but I'm done trying to fix them and keep them together. I'm going to let them go. They're going to retro one day, and when they do, I'll pick them up. But until then, the shoe that I'm looking forward to really having again is this one right here. If you don't know what this is, we can't be in the same space. Sorry. It's cool. Do your research. Yeah. I can't wait to these retro again. But you guys are going to get bagged up, sent to Goodwill, clear up some space, because it's always important to do that. When you find there's excess, you're not just wearing everything, let the stuff go. There's nothing wrong with that. It happens to the best of us. When you don't let it go and you let it sit, that's when it's a problem. Protect your energy, do what you love, take care of your bills and your family and all that good stuff, and wear your damn shoes. Now y'all get ready to get backed up, because y'all take up too much space on my floor.